Hi, my name is Mike Benson. If you've made it here, it's probably because you're struggling with hearing problems, maybe tinnitus, ringing in the ears, or even gradual hearing loss. Chances are you've already looked into supplements or treatments that promised results, but left you disappointed. I know how hard this can be. I saw it up close with a family member, and I know the frustration of trying solution after solution without real improvements. Many people just like you eventually realize that regular medication or home remedies aren't enough. That's why they start searching for natural supplements designed to support hearing and ear health. And the truth is, yes, there are solutions that can really make a difference. Recent studies have shown that hearing issues are often linked to inflammation, poor blood flow to the ears, or damaged auditory cells. That's why some formulas are more effective than others. They don't just cover up the symptoms, they work on the root causes to restore balance and protect your auditory system. I remember my family member had tried everything: special diets, expensive therapies, even alternative treatments. Nothing seemed to bring lasting relief. That's when he discovered Zen Cortex, and the transformation was incredible. Zen Cortex is not just another supplement. It's a carefully crafted formula with over 20 natural ingredients, including grapeseed, green tea, Panax ginseng, astragalus, Gymnema sylvester, and capsicum annual combined in precise ratios to support hearing health, improve circulation to the ears, and reduce inflammation. With Zen Cortex, you can finally support and protect your hearing naturally, reduce ringing, buzzing, or ear discomfort, sharpen your focus and mental clarity, restore confidence and quality of life without relying on extreme methods. Thousands of people are already reporting life-changing results, and you can be the next success story. Zen Cortex is 100% natural, stimulant-free, non-habit-forming, and safe for daily use. Many notice improvements within just a few weeks, while others experience even greater changes after 2 or 3 months. And the best part? Every order is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can return even the empty bottles and get a full refund. No questions asked. If you're tired of struggling with hearing problems, now is the time to take action. Click the link in the description today and secure your Zen Cortex directly from the official website. That way, you buy safely and can start your transformation immediately. I hope this review helped you, just like Zen Cortex has already helped so many people. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below if you have any questions, and check the link in the description to grab yours today.